shape my hair like this, darling.
Does it look like I'm shaping you?
I'm just saying.
So I'm offering the simple phrase.
You done?
It's from
You done, son?
Dermatologist in New York.
I ain't going to. I ain't go. I want to go to New York.
Toenails.
My toenails are fine. It's just this one.
It's gross. All of them need to be cut.
Nuh-uh. Look how short they are.
They need to be cut.
What am I cutting? My foot off? What am I doing?
If need be.
They don't need to be cut. It's just these.
It's gross. They need to be cut. You need to cut your toenails.
No.
Shave your pits.
No.
Spend some time. How many trees you grown?
You alright?
No.
Oh my gosh. Wow, Frankie, look what you did. You mad, broski? Frankie, making the table shake. No mental. I like lentil soup and no mental. I like Oriental ramen noodles but no mental. Why don't I have too many acres?
Oh my god. You are not ready for this.
And he said he's gonna be 18 in what? How many days?
He's gonna go to school from here. Right from this house.
Going to rack. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm still going to school. Got that right. Still going to school. Still gonna be in my mama's house. I'm gonna be in my mama's house. Home cooking and everything. Okay, ready? Breathe in. I already cracked it. I don't think I can crack it anymore. Okay, breathe in. One more time? Yeah. Okay. Wait. Breathe in. Hold on, wait. What? Okay, I'm sorry. Breathe in. Breathe in! Wait, oh, that was bad. Okay, breathe in. Okay, that was bad. One more. That's it. Okay, breathe in. Oh, God! Let me alive! Walking in the winter wonderland! Hit my arm. Freaky, what did you say about something with snow in Winterland? No. You said if there's no snow, how could it be a winter wonderland? No. Broke my camera. Just kidding. Can't get it. Just kidding. I'm so punny. So I am cleaning my room and I'm looking through my stuff and just straightening up my drawers a little bit more. And I found this. And I used to play with this thing all the time. And I found these old leapfrog things that I used to play with when I was a little boy. And everything. Just interesting, because this a while ago, and I used to play with this, and now I think about it, I'm like, why would I play with this? It's like a time travel back to when I was a little bit younger and smaller, because I'm turning 15 in 3 days. It's like, wow, it was that long ago. I honestly didn't think it was that long ago that I had these toys. But that's the part of growing up. I'm gonna edit the video, and I'm gonna go to bed. And tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and that means tomorrow will be one more day till Christmas, and then on Christmas it'll be one more day to my birthday. But for now, since it's only 11:15, 2 days to my birthday, and no, 3 days until my birthday, 2 till Christmas, and I can't wait to be 15, because then I can go out, look for a job, because I have to be at least 15 to be able to apply for a job out here. So I'm excited, can't wait. Only 3 more days, and my arm is definitely feeling a lot better than it was. I can actually use it like I'm vlogging right now. I'm using my left arm. I can actually use it now, pick up stuff and everything. So I'm gonna watch some Nickelodeon or Disney or something, and then I'm gonna go to bed until, I hope I wake up at like 9ish, because that's the time I usually wake up anyway. But I'm gonna be up early so I can go get stuff, maybe tomorrow, if I feel up to it. So, without further notice, and I think that's it. So without further ado, ado, that's a weird word, ado. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye. No. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and good night. Bye.